Happy New Year, guys. It's a brand new year, it's a brand new month, and it's a brand new week. The previous year ended on a good note, and I pray and I hope that this year ends even on a better note. For the coming week, we'll be taking a look at the EURCHF that we already have on our screen, the NZDCHF, and the CADCHF. Before we go on, I wish you all the success that you've ever yearned for yourself in the Forex market this year. And one thing you need to note is that during January, the market tend to be very slow, so you need some patience to execute these setups profitably. Starting out with the EURCHF, we can see that the EURCHF is a market which had been in an uptrend throughout December, but then before the year ended, the EURCHF broke below the uptrend line for the bears to take over this very pair. For the coming week, looking for good entries on the EURCHF, we would have to be patient enough to wait for a retest of the uptrend line as new resistance before we can carry out with our trading plan. But then, as long as the EURCHF remains below the uptrend line, the bears are in control. Only a retest of the uptrend line as new resistance would be a good entry for a sell setup. Our bearish analysis would be invalidated if the EURCHF breaks above the uptrend line to go above the previous week's high. So that is it for the EURCHF. Moving on to the NZDCHF, we can also see that the NZDCHF has been a pair that has been in an uptrend for close to 2 weeks, and it ended the previous year, on a bullish note. For the coming week, as long as the NZDCHF remains within the confines of the ascending channel that it is currently trading in, the NZDCHF remains bullish. The NZDCHF would only turn bearish if it manages a 4-hour close below the support of the ascending channel, as well as a 4-hour close below this very line, the blue line. Actually, the price of interest here is the 0.63385. It is the pivot level, so if it's broken, it's a high probability that the bears will be taking control of this pair. The final pair for the week is the CADCHF. The CADCHF is actually trading in a descending channel for some months now. Throughout the month of November and December, the CADCHF has been confined in a medium-term downtrend. For the coming week, as long as the CADCHF remains within the confines of the descending channel, the bears would remain in control. Before the year ended, the CADCHF managed to go near the resistance of the down channel. A break above the resistance of the down channel would bring about massive bullish momentum. As long as we don't have that break yet, then the bears remain in control. The resistance would also serve as an area where the bears would be looking to test and go on with the downtrend. So these are the pairs that we have for the coming week. Let us look at the market movers for the coming week. This is actually a week of the NFP. Monday remains a holiday in some parts of the world. There is no serious news coming out on Monday. On Tuesday, we have the German unemployment change, which will be affecting the euro pairs. On Wednesday, there is no serious news coming. Friday is actually the day of action. On Friday, there will be the very famous non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate from the United States, which have the tendency to shake the markets. So that is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week, and see you next week if there are any setups.